It's a 2015 Honda Fit. No matter what your cargo carrying needs are, this Honda will make it fit. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, manual tilting steering column, Honda Link, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth hands-free link, and continuously variable automatic transmission. The Car Connection finds it makes the best use of its small footprint. It's more appealing outside and in, and it earns the best crash test scores of any small hatchback, not to mention exceptional fuel economy. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.